We divide 465 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 6 and it is 16. So 3 times 5 is 15. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down this 5 and it is 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. On subtracting, we get 0. So 465 divided by 3 is 155. So this much for today and thanks for watching.